Welcome to All About Mechanical Engineering. This carburetor is made in Czechoslovakia. This is JIKOV Carburetor. This carburetor was used by Jawa company in their various models. The engine is on this side. The air filter is on this side. This is float chamber. This is the tickler. This is the fuel inlet. This is the dome cap. Let us open it. This is the attachment used for adjusting the play in throttle, that is accelerator cable. Let us take a look inside. This is the retaining spring which keeps the slide in position. This slide is inside along with the metering needle attached to it. Let us take out the slide and needle assembly. This is the metering needle. This is the slide. This is the guide provided for foolproofing the position of slide while sliding it inside the throttle body. The needle is placed in slide secured by a clip, that is lock. Opening the float chamber now. Pressing this tickler pin pushes the float down and allows additional fuel supply to main jet. This is the float needle. This is the float. There are two passages from the float chamber. One is at the bottom whereas the other is at the upper position. Through this inlet, the fuel enters the float chamber. As the float chamber fills up, the float rises up, thus blocks the fuel inlet. Normally, the fuel flows from float chamber to the main jet chamber through this passage. When the tickler is pressed, it pushes the float down, allowing more fuel to flow to the main jet passage through the upper passage. Let us open this nut as the main jet is located here at the bottom. This is the main jet. Make sure the jet is cleaned properly and you can see through it clearly. Note, as this jet was too worn out and was difficult to take out, it was cleaned without removing. This is idling jet. Let us unscrew it. Make sure the jet is cleaned properly and you can see through it clearly. This is the air-fuel ratio screw. This is the idling screw. The idling screw can be seen here in the throttle body. Rotating the idling screw changes the position, thus raising or lowering the slide. Clockwise rotation raises the slide up, thus increasing the RPM, whereas anti-clockwise rotation lowers the slide down, thus decreasing the RPM. The fuel flows through this opening from main jet. This small opening is for idling. Let us put it back together. The throttle cable accelerator is taken through this adjuster and cap, then through this retainer spring. Then it is taken through this clip and it is retained in the slide at the bottom. While putting the slide back in the body, ensure that the guide in the slide matches the projection which is provided in the body. This is air-fuel ratio screw. This is idling screw. Rotating clockwise decreases fuel supply, that is lean mixture. Rotating anti-clockwise increases fuel supply, that is rich mixture. Rotating clockwise increases idling, that is higher RPM. Rotating anti-clockwise decreases idling, that is lower RPM. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.